So this is Dewey. You guys have met Dewey many times. Come here, Dewey.
You want to give Dewey his and I'll give Sadie hers?
Yeah.
I'll give Dewey his.
All right, here. You give Dewey his.
I got Dewey.
Come here, Dewey. Come here, Dewey.
Sadie. How do I do it?
Just peel it off.
Hold on,
Hi, Sadie. That's Sadie right there.
Come here, my little poppers. Oh. Are you done peeing when you get excited? Shake you off.
Come here, Dewey.
I just shook off the dog.
Yeah, get. Come here, Dewey. What?
Kayla!
Shut. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Wait for Sadie to finish hers.
Don't give it to Dewey yet.
Don't give it to Dewey yet.
Okay.
All right, Dewey's turn. Just peel it off and just like hold it for him so he can bite it.
She'll try to jump for it.
She doesn't even finish it yet.
Or just put it on the floor. Either one. Oh, he ate that thing whole. Oh no, he's like chewing it.
But look at Sadie. She's still picking up the little pieces.
Is that good, Dewey?
Oh, you're not going up.
I'll show you the video.
You're bringing 5
Is that good, Dewey?
Do you cry about everything?
Everything.
Is that good?
Oh, I hope
Wow.
Don't step on that.
On their face.
Was that good?
You have frosting on your face.
Dewey. Dewey. Hey.
Pupcakes courtesy of Small Cakes.
Dewey.
Huh?
Dewey.
Small Cakes for small dogs. Hi, Dewey. Yeah, you know who brought you that cupcake,
You're
huh?
stepping on Sadie's pee.
Hi, Sadie.
You're